Hello guys, it's second day since I started my SMMA journey, and I have been through the software I'm using, and I am not 100% sure how to use it properly, but I don't want to do the same mistake I did with my old businesses. I tend to procrastinate a lot and go to the analysis paralysis, where you watch a lot of videos, and even before starting your journey you tend to uh, make it a perfect start. Trust me, there's no such thing called a perfect start or perfect time to start something. So even though I don't know how to do anything properly, the only reason I'm starting to outreach, so I'm gonna do cold calling. It's I'm scared right now. My heart is pumping through my chest. This is the first time I've been watching few videos on how to do a cold calling, not to be like a salesperson, not to act like a business to business rather than person to person. I think I'm pretty good with small talks. So I have gone into Google Maps, and I'm gonna at least make one call today to get a hang of it. I saw so my I took I went into a niche of massage therapist and chiropractors because I know a bit about them. I've been researching a lot on physiotherapy and all the physical aspects when I got my back injury. So let's do it. I dialed the number in the phone, and let's see what happens. It's scary. I don't want to do this, but I have to do it. Shit. Let me drink some water before starting. I'm just making some excuses to not to call. I really don't want to do this. I don't even like to talk to people on the phone. But if you want to live your life how you want to be, how you want to live, you gotta do something you don't like. Let's David Goggins this shit. You don't know me, son. Here it goes.
Hello, good afternoon. How can I help?
Hello, is this Rose's Oriental Massage Therapy?
Yes, that's right. You want to come in?
Yeah, I've been searching for massage therapists in Bournemouth, and I've been looking into some of the reviews they got, and I was thinking about getting into your website, and when I clicked on the website it didn't bring me through anything. Do you guys have a website?
Sorry? You want the booking?
I'm just looking. Do you guys have a website to look in?
No website. Don't need a website. You want to come in, just come in. A website, the things are not right. With the wrong person, not real the people. Okay, don't want the booking. Okay, somebody else coming now.
Okay. Yeah. Shit. I'm shaking. So she couldn't understand what I'm trying to say, and it looks like she don't want a website. It's too much. So the plan is to call one person today, or one business today. Let's do another call. I have two more businesses without the website, and let's give it a try. So this is the second call, and I'm trying to call a chiropractor who is nearby where I live. I've dialed in the number and I'm still scared. Shit. Okay. I'm scared.
Thank you for calling Quality Healthcare. Please leave your name and telephone number and we will get back to you shortly.
Oh, thank you. Shit. Come on, man. Yeah. No, I knew that it's gonna be terrible, but I didn't know it's gonna be this terrible. I feel like I'm dying inside. So, this is gonna be the third call of the second day, and it's gonna be the last call. I need to do some more research and how to scrape the leads, not just go into Google Maps and looking into the business without websites. It's a lot of time consuming. So yeah, this is going to be the third call, and let's do this. Hello, is this Infinite Health Chiropractic in Bournemouth?
No, that's not. I think you've got the wrong number, mate. Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry for that. Have a nice day.
No problem. Cheers, mate.
Oh fuck. Is that the wrong number? Really? I don't think so. 6. It's the right number. It's the exact same number. This is it. This is gonna be like this. If someone's looking to start building your own business in social media space and service delivery, this is how it's gonna be. Don't think it's rainbows and sunshines. People who sell you stuff in all kinds of social media and YouTube, all the gurus don't say about the dirty side of handling your own business. So this is what it is. You have to handle lots of objection. You can't even get the right number from the website. It's a lot to take in when you start working alone and getting to know everything right along you go. So this is how it's gonna be. I think you can see it. I'm still shaking. I need some more practice, and I'm gonna look into scrape all the leads in a form and go through the business without website, and I need to collect the right contact details like number, email, and social medias. If I get their email and social media, it's gonna be easy. I can reach out without going into this stressful situation. But either way, I need to get good at sales. Even if I convince them in social media and email, I still need to get into Zoom call and convince them to buy my website and buy my service. So it's gonna be a pain in the ass. So I need to get good at this. I'm still gonna practice my cold calling. Today was not a good day, but we gotta start at a point. So today is my starting point, and most probably I'm gonna be good at it by the end of this month. I still got a week left. So from tomorrow I'm gonna call 5 or 10 clients a day, and I need to get up to 50 calls or 50 outreach in whole, like calling, email, and DMs. Only if you reach out a lot, at least one business will say yes, and it is what it is. This is the truth, and I'm not scaring you guys. This is the truth. People won't say what's actually behind the all glamorous life they're living in social media. As I said, life is not rainbows and sunshines. This is what you have to go through every single day to get paid. Yeah. So, join my journey. Hopefully I think you didn't learn anything from this. At least you get to know what actually goes behind the scene, and subscribe to my channel. Let's build this shit up. Let's do this. I'll see you guys next week.